Good afternoon, country people them. Na total confusion. It happened for plenty school them for side for southwest. Limbe, Mutengene, Ombe, as we to re-enter for we ear. Picking them, they be the run come out after we Congo side enter for their ear. Say they don't shoot some two picking them for side for Ombe. Waiting it happen inside that place today. We go take una enter for day. We talk that chapter. This one, it come, we cry for Kumba. It never finish for people them hearts. And so the talk. 3 minister them plus represent for other big people them for country. The day for Kumba. Gratango, Minister for Territorial Administration. Ma Pauline Alovalionga, Minister for College Book. And Lohan Serge Etundingwa, Minister for Primary School Book. Plus person wey dey and e dey look place for eye for Minister for Defence for we country and big man for set. All them dey for inside Kumba as we tori dey enter for we ear. Una go get live image dem as we dey tin dey pass inside Cape Town this afternoon. And tori sef we go take una enter for Bamenda. Cry for Kumba. E meet up people dem too for Bamenda. Mami dem dey for road as we dey talk just now. They say water e don finish for their eye. 48 hours after till wey happen for Kumba, last head boy for country e don talk and e talk for who side for Twitter. We go bring am for now this afternoon. Tori sef e dey for concerning people dem wey dey don thief motor wey police people dem put hand for their skin. All this one dem plus newspaper we go bring am this afternoon for Tori House. Big Patok e dey tell we say you no fit plant corn for bush. Then you go comot am, you check say you go comot na beans. I say you no fit plant corn for bush, then time for comot am, you dey go comot na beans. Big Patok e comot na for ta she farawa, e dey she done for that side so for Etugebe Yawende. We dey turn back small time. Good afternoon, country people them. We glad for meet up una again for inside Equinox Tori House. Sabi say we here a day for all sides. As waiting that they happen. We go start with the one way it confuse people them for school this afternoon. For that side, so for Limbe, Tiko, Mutengene, and even Boya. But we go take una go first for Limbe country people them. Now for the government bilingual high school and government high school Limbe. As we wanna see picking them. Congo Sawusa it come out, no man e no sabi. The only she done, they hear na here say e dey so they don't kill some two picking them for that side so for government technical high school for Ombe. Total confusion inside Limbe country people them this afternoon as well the talk. Even as well enter for motor with the waka for roads. We see na plenty mami them, plenty papa them, motor them. All kind of motor the way they don't come see or carry their pikin them come out and for inside school as we Congo side e meet up them. As well the waka for motor we meet up pikin them too they don't the wrong come out. Congo side we enter we here for side for Limbe. E dey tell we say pikin the way they be there for on top story building. After where they hear the thing, some of them they jump on from the story building fall for down. Plenty of the picking them. We hear say that food they don't broke. The one they be jump come out for story building. But that's what we talk just now. We hear say plenty school them inside Limbe, Mutengene, Boya. They don't get by force lock for Sika the Congo side. We meet up them for that side. So for government technical high school Ombe, where they talk say they don't keep picking them. So just now. All picking them for inside Limbe, no school, e no dey again. As so the talk for Sika Congo side say e dey so they don't shoot some two picking them inside government technical high school Ombe. Wanna sabi or na go dey ask ambassador, but the thing wey happen na true. As one I go continue for the follow up tori for this side. All the answer them when I go dey get am small. We go come out for government government bilingual high school Limbe for this afternoon as well we see am. Make we take una go for Boya just now, Manadine. We enter for Boya too. Even for Boya, pikin the way they go school as well, you know, see them. All man, e dey take na trake. All man, e dey na for under 100 meters. as wey dey hear na tori dis way comot right for ombe pikin dey school but as wey dey hear only running as well na dey see dem plenty school dem just like for limbe even boya school dem by force dem don lock for sika say wetin dey hear say dem don shoot for inside some school for dat side so for ombe so as well dey talk on the people dem school pikin dem dem don turn dem back for house after dat rumour the congo side wey dey hear am for different side and all school pikin dem will meet up dem all man e be the take na trake all man e be the run for see say make e enter a house so that if anything if e be na true thing wey e dey happen dem don already go for house so na just the confusion that inside limbe and boyatu this afternoon country people dem make we take una go for government technical high school ombe just now wana sabi as we talk tori house e no dey end work for half place we be run go for government technical high school too for ombe for there una go see am say all thing e dey quiet gate man e dey there na mami that e don come for can take e pikin e say hear say dem don shoot pikin dem for inside the school mami don come gate man e talk say make e wait and na so too we take time we enter for inside government technical high school for ombe wetin we meet up am pikin dem be dey for class quiet dem dey learn book na e mean say wetin na kongosa no be na really true thing wey happen for inside ombe na pikin dem that someone dey sleep inside class dem dey learn book and the people dem dey comot with the story say dem don shoot for inside ombe dem don kill 2 pikin dem we no sabi but na government technical high school that for ombe as we dey talk just now wey we enter for there for try for talk for na say true no nothing like that kind of thing e no happen as wey class e dey go on normal for side wey the congo side comot for outside all thing e quiet for inside government technical high school for ombe for that side so for fako division for southwest so na the photo that as well na the see am for government technical high school ombe no nothing like shooting e no happen for there all pikin dem inside class place e quiet make we hear the first talk wey principal for government technical high school ombe e talk for we as well be first for enter for day for year wey to be get for terry.
Don't get morning devotion and pikin dey don go for class. Only for we for see we start get calls and from all over say they don kill pikin dem for ombe say commotion dey for ombe. I wan beg papa dem nothing no dey for ombe wey e cause panic. We some parents dey come here many dey come we allow them to see themselves they don see say pikin dem dey for class I know nothing dey happen for ombe so I just dey beg say make parents dem dey get confidence for God and make dey pray for we no get anything wey e dey happen for ombe.
Principal that for government technical high school ombe so our prayer and I hope say the people dem for outside there for southwest they don surely get answer for the thing wey happen for inside this afternoon as we talk we dey na for make una sabi wetin wey dey happen for outside and that one na we work make we take una enter kumba gratango mapolina lovalionga loansesh etundingwa na dem that way they don land for kumba country people dem sabi say dem say they dey enter for kumba na for some kind of time wey place e dey kenekene wana sabi thing wey happen on a Saturday for Kumba and they be talk say they go send minister them say make they reach for day and the 3 main minister them na Gratango Lohan Seche Tundingwa for primary school book Mapolina Lovalionga for secondary school book where they say people them for Kumba they don't talk for them say come good but they come good na time where they so bibi cry e dey and as we talk said we will get na gendarme people dem say represent e dey inside and minister too for defence e get e own represent for inside the arraignment make we take una one time enter too for SDA office immediately as we dey land for that side so for Barumbikan wey na for the place that way they talk come good for them direction na for SDA office country people dem wey Gratango Lohan Seche Etundingwa minister for college school college book wey they call him Mapolina Lovalionga then say they don land for inside SDA office from there as so wanna sabi they go for place where the thing e happen for Bamileke street Then they go surely meet up to with the papa, mommy, uncle, auntie for this pikin them wey e dey so they shoot them, and one day wey they dey for on top hospital bed, they go surely go see them too like part of the program. So now the image them that wey they come out inside Kumba for with Tori for this side, but the one that sabi say plenty of this story says wanna go get them for the different story them for 6 o'clock for Queen Elisa Country Talk, and even for 8 o'clock Emmanuel Macron Country Talk. And just so sabi before Minister Dewan Lan Ndong Chamberlain, Senior Divisional Officer for Meme, e be go for Mother Francisca International Primary and Secondary School for that side, so for Bamileke Street, and the waka for day now for say wetin they go put red and white rope, and that red and white rope now for say make no person no cross enter for that school until minister they come for day, and no ask me if they go ever open the school again. That one I no fit talk, but they be go see the school and for put that red and white rope wey e mean na security rope for that side, so for the school where they be attack am for inside place where they call am say Bamileke Street. Ndong Chamberlain says e be talk for we sabi say they don't dey talk for ye, say e dey so nice says e sabi as well this attack e happen, and time where we say will be go there for go meet up Ndong Chamberlain country people them SDO for inside Meme. E be the talk for we, make we enter for that chapter just now for Ndong Chamberlain country people them for Ndong Chamberlain, and just for sabi say on top the chapter man I didn't just put on for before. Yes, Ndong Chamberlain tell we say that way be there inside phone, say that one a big pom said no person he no fit the talk for himself for the same phone. Ndong Chamberlain talk say he hand the clean for things the way they happen for inside government or for inside that school for Bamileke Street. And according to Ndong Chamberlain, as he talk for we, he try for tell we say he dey so now people the way they want struggle for height, the people the way they do the thing way happen for Mother Francisca International Secondary and Primary School for Bamileke Street. So Ndong Chamberlain he don't deny, say the thing way don't the turn for social media, say na big pom. And just for sabi country people them, after we plenty people they don't ask questions, say how minister Governor talk man go money talk say school where they kid that picking them, he don't owe the school, he just start now the first time this year. Plenty they be take that signboard for the school for ask minister question whether true this school way turn up so now only this year way start. One time after we Governor talk man Emmanuel Rene Sadi he talk say he dey so na school where he just start this year, he don't write another book. He talk say wetin, say make people that no look wetin way he write am, say make they look wetin way he dey for ground just now. So make the thing way he talk e no be na thing way go come start for cause argument on top. Say that one whether the school is start now or e no start now, say that one no be na the thing why they dey talk just now, but they dey talk na the pikin them where they kill am inside the school. So he don't talk say make pikin them or make people them they no focus now for Form 1 and Form 2 as well na the see am for day now for this say way they kill or they gun people them enter for this. So minister he don't turn back again for talk say make they no look time where the school it starts, but make they look now wait way it happen. Sabi minister be don't fair talk say the school it dey work now for backside now mean say the school never register a name at all for inside arraignment. So for Sika that one according to he say the school it just start now, so he don't deny, say make people that know they look that one, say make they look nothing where it happen inside that school. And as well I talk for now Bamenda as well they talk just now na serious work away they happen for day where them mommy them people picking them and even woman themselves they don't come up for outside for talk say no, say they don't tire, they work now with peace plan them for their hand, and they talk say they don't tire for this thing way they happen. And the latest way happen for Kumba, they say don't touch them too, and they know one the kind of thing for happen. So now mommy them and future mommy them, you understand, we get mommy and future mommy them where they dey for the roads for the waka, and the papa them too they make a made they be mommy them too they dey outside waka for talk say they want peace for southwest and northwest. As so the talk just now it happen inside Bamenda for northwest region. Now woman them they dey for outside just now. Country people, make we take una turn back inside Bamenda, waiting this woman them and they talk.
finish what we are.
Yes, inside the Bamenda, and as well they be the worker, so they be first go now for mayor a place, mayor too he talk for them.
Talk something, you go see marry the kill, you fear for talk. Now we life be precious pass another man in life. That pikin the way they don't die. We not fit accept let that thing repeat itself. And inside Bamenda too, through your collaboration, all of us we go to fight against terrorism. We go to secure our pikin them for school. All we have heard from today go be in a vigilant committee. If we not be vigilant committee, you not be work alone. All the information about what did happen, we not know una quarter them. But all man go to pretend for come out today say they don't kill people. How we stop them if no one collaborates?
Yes, and as well they come out for mayor, now for governor office, where the woman they day, as so they talk just now, they did them plenty, where they did for before office, for Oga Adolf Lele Lafrique, for that side, so for inside Bamenda, for talk say waiting, they don't tire, till when they happen inside country, and they talk say no, for the people that where they kill that picking them, for place where they call them say Kumba, Bamileke Street, Fiango, for that side, for Meme Division. We go turn back for that chapter plenty where we go turn back tomorrow as soon as Sabina Tiwe the pass for inside Bamenda just now. And Kunkuma Sesep as soon as the see it don't last talk for Twitter. He talks in for he Sesep he only hear na here the what will happen for that side. So for inside Mother Francisca International Bilingual Academy for Kumba and as well the president he talk he say he Sesep we inside the highest level say don't condemn Tiwe it happen. And the can't way they use and kill this small innocent picking them. Nkunkuma go ahead for talk say he don't just now he don't give order for a governor people them and them too they go shit down for see as way they go continue for work for see as way they go cash the people the way they do that were working for inside of Mother Teresa school and just now Nkunkuma too he add for talk say he dey sorry and in a woman they go continue for the prayer for say make that one the way they get caught make them say well they come out on top bed. So 48 hours after we Kunkuma Sesep he don't talk and now for Twitter big man Sesep country people then we go enter for Southwest Chiefs Conference them say they don't talk on top this chapter country people them as we managing the show with that UNESCO make we just see that one with the show first before we enter for Southwest Chiefs Conference we go just talk as we the camp for we before yes Southwest Chiefs Conference sabi say na for day we all chiefs them for Southwest the day under country people them we enter for this Southwest Chief Conference people then too they don't talk on top this chapter and them too they don't condemn till we happen for place where them call them say Kumba for inside the Meme division. So Southwest Chiefs Conference where he get all the chiefs them for Southwest inside them say they don't condemn and they don't talk say they go so continue for fight for say make peace. He enter for Southwest enter to for Northwest and Cameroon in general country people them as we wanna say wanna the see them just now manadi maybe if you give you the other photo then we be one giam as so they continue for talk for this side if you give you the one way concern this woman for UNICEF we Isesep e talk concerning this still will happen for inside Kumba, Cameroon and Afghanistan. Sabi say the almost the two countries them they get the same thing inside the same day as the woman says he don't talk and country people that he talk say condemn till it happen say school na place where picking them they get for learn and no be na place for go keep people them as a big woman for UNICEF says he talk after we hear the killing we he pass for Cameroon. We go take una just now come out for that one for Cape Town. We enter for some other small Tory country people them. This one na moto them way they so people them police people them for inside Douala here they catch am. The moto it be there for garage. Na moto where they don't thief am. They be one go start for Panabitam for change am. This other moto na the see am too na so moto where they pick am for garage for that side so for Bakat etage inside Douala for subdivision. So the moto the people there they thief am they be don't don take am go garage na for go change am so that when the person wey get am sef e go see am e can pass for it before e no go sabi say na im motor dis wey e don thief am. And dey be dey dem 8 motor total country people dem wey e dey so dey come thief am. Then after dey give report for police people dem under the lookout for the big man for anti-gang for that side, so for judicial police for Bonanjo Oga Nsama na so to dey take style make investigate so they go meet up the garage place na for the way they meet up other motor dem as we wanna dey see am. So the one na motor 2 wey dey pick and dem one panabit am, then they put am for outside for sale. All dem thief motor dem as we tori enter for inside we hear. Now the person wey e be na accomplice, e mean say na person wey be combi for the person wey e dey thief this motor. Police people dem too dey put hand for e for talk say dey so e sabi the person and e no be don ever talk for police people dem to e don be the accomplice as we police people dem dey so continue for find the key person wey e be the thief that motor dem. Make we hear wetin wey the woman say wey the thief e taxi, then e come see am e talk for we microphone as we go turn back for some other element dem tomorrow.
My driver called me for morning time, like in 5:30. Say don't come, we can take motor for drive for go work. That way come, you know see the motor for Petrolex Kayoli. You know see, and so he called me that time, tell me say the motor in the Siam. The next day I go for gendarme for groupement for corner spa here. I go declare the motor say run loss, so they help me find the motor. After a week now some driver they pass for road here, they see the motor, they call my driver. Say they so don't see that motor, they don't thief am. I don't even know say they don't even see themselves. So I come now for police here, for page here. Yes, judicial police for tell they say the car way don't park am for their premises na my car. I thank them very much and I thank God for the miracle. The miracle is too much.
Now one of the woman, that's one of the people that we get motor where they pick am for inside Douala here. Make we just enter for inside the sick, even as so the cry sabi say corona is also there for outside country people them. And corona, according to the total number where they give am for we John Hopkins University, it tell we say the number don't go now to 43,018,215 people them total inside the whole world. 28,962,625 people them where they already well, and 1,153,964 people them they don't already die for inside this corona as well. John Hopkins University is sent them for outside. For South Africa on Monday, for South Africa they get 891 new case for corona sick people them where they carry am, and doctor then say they don't really test 4,709,403 people them inside that number. 700 plus be already catch the sick since we enter for day, and 600 plus people that already well from the sick inside South Africa. 119 people them new case for corona sick people there they confirm am for inside Buhari his own country, bringing total 62,111 people them. 1,132 people that already die for inside Buhari country for sick of this corona. For Ivory Coast on Monday, as we them say they come out they say na 16 people them where they test them with corona sick for their skin. 46 people them well, no person no die. 152 they on top sick bed, and sabi say since we corona enter Ivory Coast 122 people they don't die. 20,212 people they don't already well, and 20,486 people they don't already catch the sick since we corona enter for inside Ivory Coast. Make we enter just now country people them for corona, or enter for newspaper them. We get two way there for we before this morning time, or maybe we will surely turn back for that newspaper them when we go meet up for here tomorrow. Yes, we'll turn back for that newspaper them. Sorry, we'll not be fit for put a newspaper for line up, but we'll get case for person where don't die, or person don't lost. Sorry, person where don't lost. Yes, now the person be that country people them, and this in name na Likile Batil Kalak Aristide Max as we see where a family says it they announce say it don't lost. So any person where you don't see this boy for any side, Number for before tele 695 not 3 223 67 not 96 not. Number be that we for call the people them if you see this their pikin we do loss. Now so we see country people dem make one no forget say it dey so for 6 o'clock we get another tori wey dey come with waka for minister dem for Kumba today and other thing dem for Limbe, Ombe and even for 8 o'clock one say big thank you for people there they dey for backside wey dey push fire. We get Nadine Manadi wey dey for backside dey, Malice e dey too and Zephyrin Gonji ISSF e dey for his own end. They do work for say make tori e go for before. If Papa God help we go meet up for Wednesday for morning time. Una hold am tight.